Okay. Now, we've already made the material master. Now let's see our configuration, and that will start with SPRO T code, enter. Reference IMG. IMG is implementation guide. So we made the material master in different plant. Okay. So if we look at the material management configuration, it has quite a lot of settings. Okay. And we will be looking at configuration of RFQ, quote arrangement, source list, purchase info record, purchasing groups, supplier master, material master. In material master, we have settings for the material itself. Okay. And for supplier master, we have configuration items for building supplier master data. Okay. So we will look at the configuration. Once we are done with the configuration of the enterprise, which is going to use that material master, because if there is no company, how can it build its own inventory in material management? Okay. So for that, we have to go to enterprise structure, definition, logistics and general, valuation level. Valuation area is a plant. This is by default from SAP. Okay. It can be a company code, but by default, it's a plant. So what is valuation area? Valuation area is where your goods or stocks are manufactured or stored or shipped or built. That is a plant, and that is the valuation area. Valuation also means, so valuation means you calculate the valuation of your material based on the plant, and you evaluate the material by its quantity and cost. So first we'll make a plant, define a plant, new entries. So let's make a new plant, and that can be pop group, pop group, pop G. Okay. Save AE, save, and we'll make a new request, and that is GMM EWM Kazim. So all of your configuration will now be stored in this node, and I'll tell you in the end how to access this node. Okay. Now define the location of your plant. New entries. Plant is POP-G. Location is Sharjah. AE. Save. So your plant has a location. Speaking of division can be your product lines, business lines in your plant. So for example, Kazim Saab, where do you work? And what divisions do you have in your factory, in your concern? Can we know that? Mr. Kazim, can I hear you? Okay. For example, um, let's say our company is building what? Building material, for example. It manufactures building material for, let's say, is aluminum and pop bricks. Now, pop is basically pop group that we have made. Save and save. Okay, so we have two divisions in the plant, which is aluminum and bricks. And we have a location that is Sharjah, and we have a plant. Okay. Next is materials management. Storage location. Plant is POP G. New entries. Storage location Sharjah. We can have multiple, but we'll just keep one. Save. Save. Maintain purchase organization, very important. New entries. Purchase organization, let's say we just keep it one. Purchase org and save. I'm just keeping one purchase organization, but we can have multiple. We can have various decentralized purchase organization. For raw material, they can be different. For semi-finished good, for finished good, for services, for accessories, anything. It can be different. Okay. Save, and we have saved it. Next is sales and distribution. Sales org, very important. Pop group sales org. AED, purchase organization is POP G. POP G, purchasing group. We have not made a purchasing group, but we'll make it later. So let's save it. Save, AE, save, and save. Okay, we can make multiple sales organization which can be segregated because we have divisions for aluminum and bricks. So our sales organizations can be different for each division. Okay. So PA and PB. Now let's see distribution channel. Now distribution channels can be geographical. Yes. Distribution channel. New entries. Since distribution channel can be geographic, like Sharjah, Dubai, Abu Dhabi, Riyadh. So your cities can be your distribution channels. So let's say we say PSJ. Sharjah distribution. PS. We can have multiple, but we will just keep it to one place. And each distribution channel or your, let's say, locality or city will have multiple sales office. Sales office is, let's say, again, for aluminum, Sharjah A. Sharjah sales. Alum sales. Yeah. Save. Oh, no, let's delete it. I want to keep the code synchronized. Because when we'll go down for assignment of these units, then we will need these codes to be synchronized for easier understanding and memorization. Murtaza, are you getting the point? Okay. AE. Okay. Sales office, sales group. Now, sales group, what can be a sales group? In every sales office and distribution channel, there is a sales office. And in sales office, there are groups for aluminum. ESA. PSB. Save. Okay. Now, this is done. We'll go ahead and make assignments. First, we defined it. Now we'll make assignments. Logistics, assign plant to a company code. We have to make a company code first. So what do? We go to financial accounting, company code. Very easy, very simple, straightforward. Edit company code data, new entries, POP-G, POP group, POP-G, city, Sharjah, country AE, currency AED, English, save, AE, save. So company code is made. Now we go back. Assignment, logistics, assign plant to company code. This is natural. New entries, company code. Company code is POP-G. Pop G. Pop group. Save. Save. Easy. Simple. So we are connecting company code with plant. So that plant is dependent on company code or reporting to company code. Okay. Sales and distribution. Sales organization to company code. So company code has a higher precedence. Assign sales org to company code. POPG. POPG. So one code is easier to understand. Assign distribution channel to sales org. Sales org. POP. POPG. Distribution channel. POPG Sharjah distribution. Enter. Assign division to sales org. Sales org. POPG. Division. Division is POP. POP aluminum. POPG. PB. 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 So sales org, it has divisions, and divisions are made under plant. Okay. So you're connecting plant with sales org indirectly. Bricks, aluminum. So this sales organization will be taking care of the sales of aluminum and bricks. Okay. Save. Set up sales area. Now, what is a sales area? In sales area, we have sales org, distribution channel, division. Okay. These three are integrated at one place. POPG, distribution channel, PS, division, PA, POPG, PS, PB. Okay. So in this distribution, for Sharjah distribution, we have and both aluminum and bricks. So in Sharjah, you will find sales organization, but this sales organization will have sales office as well. So let's save it so that we can start selling our bricks and aluminum. Okay. Sales office to sales area. We already made sales area. New entries. Sales org. POPG. Distribution channel P. S. Division PA. And sales office. POPs. POPG. PS. PB. POPs. Okay. So sales office will be taking care of the bricks and aluminum sales. You can have multiple sales office in one city. For that, of course, coding will be different. Coding will be different. I have kept it simple. Assign sales group to sales office. Sales office, ops, sales group, PSA, PSB. PSB. So what are we doing here? Sales office will have groups that will take care. One group will be handling aluminum sales, returns, customer service. Bricks will have its own customer service, returns, and sales activity. Save. Now, if you look at it from finance point of view, aluminum and bricks. Now just think about it. Aluminum can be your profit center, a separate profit center, and bricks will be a different profit center. Or if your company is only making this, then this can be a segment, and this can be a segment. Now, what is the relationship between segment and profit center? Let me just tell you that. So, top node in a company is relationships. Company, this is the mother company. Under this comes company code, and under company code comes plant. Under plant comes purchase org, location, and we have sales org, distribution channel, division. Okay. Then we have sales office, and under sales office we have sales group. Okay. So now, what is profit center? Over company code, higher to company code is controlling, which manages multiple company codes. Okay. Now, what is controlling area? Controlling area manages profit center accounting, segment reporting, cost center accounting, product cost controlling. Okay. So one controlling area can have one controlling area will have multiple company codes, n company codes, n number of company codes. Why do we need multiple company codes? Because of currency, location, financial jurisdiction. Okay. Jurisdiction. Because of this, we can have multiple company codes. Okay. So in our sales group, if we come down to the molecular level, we have sales group PSA aluminum, PSB bricks. Now this PSA and PSB can be your either profit center, or it can be your business segments. For example, from Sharjah, you expand to Dubai with aluminum and bricks. So, what will the next step? If you have segments as aluminum and bricks, you can add profit centers like sales office, which will be Sharjah, Dubai, Riyadh, Abu Dhabi. Okay. So these will be your profit centers because they are doing sales for you. Sales office will become your profit centers. But your segments, what are segments? These are your business verticals, business lines. Okay. That is how you, because adding another product, for example, from bricks, you come to cement production. So that will be added as a segment. Same profit centers without changing profit centers. Without changing profit centers, these profit centers can start selling cement. Okay. Got it? Yeah. And you can add on to the profit centers. You can, for example, Cairo, okay, and etc. Many others. Yeah. So this is how you actually plan out the relationship for your companies. Yes, Chaudhry Murtaza. Just a second. We are done with the lecture today.